going to draw the picture. So your number should be big. See how I'm writing the number 1. Put one dots here. Take the arm. Then come down. Look at my 1. I'm writing like this one. You have to follow the same thing. What you have to do? First, make like this one slanting line. Go to the up and then come down straight. All of you make you mute. I didn't make you mute because if you have any doubts, you can ask me. But you have to make you mute. Okay. Everybody first write like this one slanting line and one standing line like a 1. This is number 1. But this 1 is not completed. Now I can make one slipping line down. It's clear for you, my dear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what I did,
Teacher.
I did first.
Yes, teacher.
First, I draw one slanting line. Then I draw one standing line. After that, I draw one slipping line. Only I use the 3 lines. Finish? Now, what I'm going to do? Look at me. Everybody do with me only. Everybody start this much first do. Otherwise, you cannot learn. With me only you have to do. All of you do first like one slanting line up. This line will come down. Then make a slipping line. The slipping line you can make little, big. This much do. Okay, done?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, now,
Yes, teacher.
okay, now look. This line will come just join here. This line, whatever you starting point, the starting point will come to the down where you end the standing line. Just same dot. You have to join this curve to the end of the standing line. This much clear for everyone?
Yes.
Very good. Baba, take your time.
Yes, teacher.
Try to understand and do it neatly. Otherwise, what time you complete your drawing, it will not come nice if you will not do the neatly.
Teacher, like this.
I cannot see you, Mama. I'm focusing here. I cannot see the screen. Okay, this much finish?
Yes, teacher.
Now, make a slanting line. Only short. No need to make this much. Only short. Make 2 slanting line. Slanting line means not straight. Like this slanting line, you have to make both sides. Understood, my dear? This much. Then join with a slipping line. What I did? I make both sides to slanting line. Then I join with the slipping line. Can you guess which picture is coming? But see, I use only number 1. It is easy, no? But it is not completed. You have to make like 3.
Teacher board.
You can make some circle here. You can make some circle here. And you can make some circle and make it dark. That is up to you how you are going to decorate your board. Okay. Like this you can make. Now tell me, we know there are 3 kinds of transport. Some transport we can see on the land. That is called the land transport like car, bus, scooter, everything. Some transport we can see flying in the sky. What is called this kind of transport, my dear?
Aeroplane.
Air transport.
Aeroplane.
No.
Helicopter also.
Yes. And some transport, yes. And some transport we can see moving where? On water. This is called the water transport. So boat is a water transport. So I said water. So we have to draw some water, no? How to draw? like this, touch the board and draw the water like this. Draw. How is my drawing? Tell me, my dear.
It's a very beautiful.
I know you also make very beautiful. Okay. This
It's
is
a very beautiful.
okay. Now listen. So one time again, I'm repeating how I drawn the board. Listen to me, all of you. First, you have to draw one slanting line. This line will go up. Then make a standing line. This standing line will come up to down. Then join with a slipping line. After that, you can make one line here, my dear, because you can see, like this. I think you didn't draw this line. Make a like this line. Because then what time you will color, now it will come very beautiful. Then draw water also. Finish the one. We draw the boat. This much finish for everyone, my dear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
After one, which number is coming?
Yes,
Now I ask you, after one, which number is coming?
Two.
Now write the big two. Now you have to write the big two. How to write two? Look at me. Make the curve like this, okay, and make straight line. See my two. You have to write like this two. Then only your picture will come nice. What I did? Make a curve down and join with the slipping line. First, write the number two. Big size, okay? Don't make the chin two. Don't make the small. Make it big. Okay? Finish? This much finish? Shall I go to the next step?
Yes.
Now, touch the starting point. Touch here and go just little inside. Go little inside and come straight here. Already you write one time, no? To follow the same pattern. But here you have to stop. Okay, you have to stop here. You cannot make the standing line here. You cannot make the slipping line here. What you have to do? What time you will come here? Go down like this and make a like this curve. Look at my picture, my dear. Look at my picture. What I did, again I'm repeating my steps. First, I write a big fat 2. After that, I take the starting point inside. Then I make the curve. I go down, down, down. I stop here. Then I make like this one nice curve and join the end of this slipping line. This much you done, Baba?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now here you have to make
Yes, teacher.
Children, can you guess which picture coming right now? Can you guess?
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. Silent, Baba, silent. Give me time to speak. Somebody is unmuted but very noisy. Some sound is coming from your home, Baba. Make sure. Okay, did you notice the duck beak? Duck beak is not like the ordinary beak. This is very flat. Okay, how to make the flat beak? See, you have to make like this 2 lines. Small, small 2 lines you have to make. Then come front and do like this. Understood? Because after my drawing, you just check to any drawing where you can see the duck. You can feel duck beak, not a short beak, like a flat beak. Okay? So you have to make like this beak and little long also. Then I didn't put the eyes. Put the eyes. And here you have to draw the wings. Draw wings and one small tail also have. One small tail also have. Okay. Then where you can see duck? Same like boat. Where we can see?
Duck.
Where you can see?
Water.
Very good. Then
Duck. Water. Duck.
see, I joined two pictures. Both pictures come in, we can see in water. So very nicely you can draw the one for the one using one boat, and number of two you can draw the duck. Are you happy for this drawing? Yes and no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I told you na, math class means should be related to the math. Now your math class, that's why I can make like this drawing. I make, just let me check. I'm getting very bad sound from where? Let me check. Sumaya.
Teacher, now drawing, now coloring.
No. I will teach you 1 to 5. Then you can color. Coloring you can do at home also, my dear. I will give you the idea which color have to come. Just now you try to learn how to draw this picture with the using of number. Okay. See, I make the Jonah, Sumaya, that students I make mute. Don't make you unmute because sound come to you. Don't make you unmute. Yes. Now after 1, 2, which number will come, my dear?
3.
Very
Three after 4.
Okay, now
3.
see, I'm writing 1, 3. That 3, one curve. First one little small curve, and second one you can make the big curve. Okay, like this 3 you have to draw. For what I did, I make first, because in 3 there is a 2 curve. Everybody know this one. First one I make little small curve, and next one I make little big curve. All of you first write like this 3. In this 3 I can make 2 picture, but first I will teach you the easy one. Okay, this much finished. Everybody done?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, dear. This is simple 3. Now what you have to do, the next step? Next step, you have to write one more 3, but not like this 3. Just you have to draw the opposite 3. So what you have to do? Touch here. Touch the starting point and same shape. Try to draw this side one. What I done this side, same thing I did here also. At the same way, come here and join here. Just try. Otherwise, you can do, if it is difficult for you, you can do one thing. After this, you can make one like this line. I think it is easy for you. Make like this line. Children, you can do this one. Don't do like this me. You first draw 1, 3. After that, join these 3. You have to join like this. 2 lines you have to use here for joining these 3. Okay. Then only it is easy for you to draw the other side. Just same thing. Just like the reflection, it will come the other side. And can you guess which picture is coming? Anybody can guess? Very good. I'm sure now my all students, my dear, now I'm sure in my class all students can draw so many things and they can decorate their home, they can decorate their study place. I'm sure because now easy drawing you can learn from this class. Okay, after that, make a small round here. Make a small round on the top. Why? Because this is the head of butterfly. I make the head. I put 2 small eyes. You also can put small eyes. That is up to you. After that, everybody know butterfly having like this horn. Okay, do like this. And in this line, you can make like this lines. And what time you will feel the colors, you can make it more colorful. How it is possible? It is possible to put different color in different box. See, I make so many, like a box. You can say the partition, whatever. You can put different color, what time you are going to color it. Butterfly, everybody know, very colorful insects, right? Very colorful. Why we cannot make it colorful? How you will make it colorful? You can make small, big circle inside the wings. How many you want, you can make. That is not a different, and like this you can make. Why I make like this design? Because of this design will help you what time you are going to color this butterfly. It will come more colorful, because everybody know butterfly is an insect. What? Butterfly is an insect of very colorful insect, different color. So this kind of picture can you help to make it colorful. Who is talking? Unless talking, come to me.
Ashraful.
Ashraf will make you mute. Ashraf will make you mute. Number 1, I used to make the boat. Number 2, I used to make the duck. Number 3, I used to make for butterfly. Now, after 3, which number will come?
4.
Why does this one?
4.
Yeah, this one completed. Number 3. This 3 picture completed.
No.
Okay. Take your
Yes. Teacher, my finish.
Okay, those are doing. I said those.
Finish. Butterfly. Finish. I am
Now I make everyone mute. Too much talking. If you are finished this picture, no problem. Those are doing, you can do it according to your time. No hurry, because this is the activity-based class. For activity, there is no time limitation. You can use your innovation. Maybe you know better than me. You can make it more innovative. You can make it more beautiful. So you can use so many things. Okay. Now number 4. How to write number 4? See, 4 also number, already I told you, number we are writing not only one style. We can use different style. But for this picture, you have to write the number 4 like this. Look at me. First, make like this. Then this top part will go down. Like this 4 I need for this drawing. Understood everyone what I did? Different 4, you know, na? Sometimes we are writing 4 like this also. This is also correct? Yes and no? This is also correct, no? This 4? This is also correct.
Yes.
But I need this 4, this style of 4 for making this picture. So what I have to do? First, take the slanting line and same like the one, it will go like this side and join this line and make it little long. After that, very easy. Already this part there is no line. So join this line with the use of slanting line. Okay? Like an arrow. It will come like an arrow. After that, already here have the ending. What we have to do? Same like this slanting line, you can join one more slanting line here. You can make it little long also. One more slanting line will join there. And like this tail will come, because what is this?
Kite.
So it is good. Very easy, no? Draw kite. After that, you can draw like this line. And everybody know kite flying in the sky. So put one tail also. Finish. It is easy yet tough. Tell me. Oh, easy. Okay, very good. So number 1, we drawn boat. With the number 2, we drawn duck. With the number 3, we drawn butterfly. And number 4, we draw kite. Now, number 4. Now, last number 5. Today only I will teach you 1 to 5. Again, any class, not right now, any class I will teach you number 6 to 10. Like this way, I can teach you till 100 also. If you are interested and if you are complete your study on time, then only we can arrange like this class. Okay, so number 5. I can use this place for number 5. Here have the place. First, children, how you are writing number 5? Different style is there. But I will suggest you first write one small slipping line. Small slipping line, not very small. And you have to make here also small standing line. This line don't make very long. Okay, dear? Keep in your mind. This line should be short, not long. Why? This why answer we'll get right now. After that 5, how to write? Make a fat and very sharp curve here. Like this 5 I want. I want like this 5, my dear. What I did? First I write a slipping line. After that one small standing line. This one I said small. Don't make the like this long. It will make the long, your picture will not come the clean. Jainab, what happened, Jainab? Do it, Baba. Last picture. Hand painting? No. Okay. So this part everybody know this is the 5. Now same. Whatever you make the curve this side, same thing you have to do it the other side also and join like this. How it is? This apple I am going to give the whom? Today I will give to the Rifat. Okay, Rifat? This apple I am going to give you. Understood? Now make here leaves. Why I make this slipping line? Because this slipping line I'm going to use for make the leaves. One more also you can make it leaves here. How it is? Tell me. Children, I will make you now unmute because that time I make you mute. Some are too much talking. Okay, children. Tell me, this is easy or tough?
It's very easy. It's very easy. Very easy.
Now you have to color the picture. Okay. Coloring. I have this color. Whichever you have the color, you can use. I don't know our time is enough for that or not. I will give you little idea which color will come to here. See, everybody know watercolor means which color? This light blue color, right? Sky color. You so put it here. This color, my dear. For water, you can use this color. Okay. And not only this color, you can make the shade light and dark. Both kind of blue color you can use. I also have the light and dark. What time I will fill this coloring, I will put the light and dark both color for water only. Okay.
Teacher, I am Rifat. I also have these 2 color for you.
Very good. So both color you can using for that. Okay, children, I'm giving the little ideas. Okay. Now for apples. Everybody know apples leaves. Leaves always which color is coming?
Red.
Green. Okay. So like this way, neatly, no need to make it right now. Take your time. I'm just giving idea. So you have to color the leaves with the green color. And what I should put for the apple? Tell me which color I will use.
Red.
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 Because see, apple red also coming, green also coming, but whatever we are used to take, that is red color. So how to feel the color, that is also very important. Some are starting like this, no. Keep in your mind, Mukta teacher saying something. Coloring time, first you touch the corner. Always, whatever your outline, whatever your
outer is outer
always keep in your mind what time we are going to color the picture. Always started from the outline. Don't start like this, don't make like this. Okay, first do the all outline. Okay, touch the outline, do like this, slowly. I'm doing first because I'm big and you are small, so take your time. Why I'm showing this one? Because some students, they don't know how to fill the color. They know the coloring, but coloring also have some, steps. So what is the step? First you have to color the outer like this. Okay, so already you got the outline. Then you can draw, then you can feel coloring like this. What time you will feel the color, you can show your, you can use your fingers also. See how I'm doing like this. If I will do like this, dark color will come. Okay, children? Okay, like this way you have to fill the color. Now I'm not doing neatly because I want to teach you all the things. Now dark. Anybody can tell me which color I will put to make the color for the duck beaks? Anybody?
Yellow.
What is this?
Yellow.
Okay, tell me one fruit's name that is also yellow color. Quickly.
Mango.
Mango
and banana.
Okay. Tell me one animal's name that animals too much like this banana. And in my class, so many are there. So many. Yes or no? My class have so many. How many monkeys? I will not count the name, but I know all are tongue. 5 little monkeys. I will teach you this poem also. Okay. So beaks should be yellow colored, right? Very good. Other picture, listen to me now. All the picture, that is up to you. Which color you like, you can feel, but take your time. Draw this one. I want to. Just every students have to send to me. I want to see how creativity having in my students, in mind, in heart, and they like or not. I want to know. If you like this kind of work, after our portion completed, every time I am going to teach you.
Just sit down and listen to the teacher.
Children, understood? Now time is almost over. 3 minutes time having. I will take the attendance. In that time, you can see the board. See, coloring I didn't complete it because I don't have time. That is
No.
yeah.
Teacher, any color okay?
Many of always understand after after a little time. I told already.
Teacher, any color okay? Teacher, just like color, I don't know.
Sorry. Ask me, Baba. What do you ask?
Just like color, any color.
Any color. That is up to you. I told you na. This is up to you. Which color you like, you can. Only I taught you the color of.
সবাই করে ফেলতেছে
Statue. I'm going to take the attendance. Statue. Now no sound. No sound. Only Mukta will make the sound right now because I'm going to take attendance.